Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create your StubHub account.
But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find a link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video.
First, let's find the app so we can start the video. Right there. And I'm going to open the app. Once you have it open, this should be your home screen like I have here. Once you're here, look over here on the bottom right-hand corner. Do you see over here where it says profile? You want to click on that. And then it will take you here. If you haven't created your account, it should show you this this screen right here. So first, let's see. All right, we'll start with the email. It's gonna go ahead and enter my email. All right, then I have to enter my number. After you enter your number, you want to go ahead and create your password. And a good password usually contains 8 characters, 1 capital letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 special character, and 1 digit. That's a good password for you. All right. So after entering your password, they'll say continue. You're gonna click over here. Do you want to use Face ID to sign in to? And I'll just say yes for this. It makes things easier. I'm on the iPhone, by the way, but this should be the same instructions for an Android phone also. All right, there you go. That's how you create your StubHub account. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.